In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities, yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Blox EA V1.0 MT4 on my account for months. And zounds, it's hedged my trades with plus 414.70% gains with the panache of a parodic blockbuster shielding AUDCAD from volatility. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the hedge EA that turns AUDCAD swings into blockbuster bounties. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Blox EA V1.0 MT4 slinger of sizzles. The zip folder for the Blox EA V1.0 MT4 disrobes with adorable decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file in seconds, along with installation instructions and a quick readme, no fuss with extras. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Blox EA V1.0 MT4 to AUDCAD on M1, loaded the set file, and it commenced its direction. Neutral hedging forthwith, no tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might, a scandal sheet of charming conquests, and there the Blox EA V1.0 MT4 parades its plus 414.70% absolute gain escapade, turning deposits into $45,144.53 balance, with net profit $36,551.53 amid withdrawals. Daily 0.08%, monthly 2.49% reflecting steady brilliance. Yet the equity curve holds resilient while growth line climbs to highs before modest pullback, containing drawdowns at 17.34% thanks to its hard equity protection and dynamic break-even calculation. Profitability shines cute yet fierce with 815 total trades on AUDCAD alone. Longs netting 419 trades plus 2,264.1 pips and plus 15,710.80 profit. Shorts plus 3,309.8 pips and plus 20,840.73 overall. That's balanced hedging mastery. Get this. Gross profit dominates amid minimal interest drag. The edge from specialized AUDCAD optimization that captures swings without martingale risks. Drawdown at 17.34%, yet equity preserved with baby-like tenacity, risk of ruin negligible,